Hello SJCAM fans, today we're going to be doing an in-depth review of the SJCAM SJ10 Pro Action. So we're going to show you the build of the unit and then some of the menu options. Before we get started, make sure to like our video and subscribe. So actually yesterday we did an unboxing review and I asked you to pause the screen so you can see the back of the specs on the box, but the shot was blurry, so I just wanted to show you that again. So 4K at 60 frames per second, waterproof body up to 10 meters. So this is nice. The old SJCAMs required an waterproof case. 1300 mAh battery, which is also an upgrade. The older models only had 900 mAh. 2.33 inch IPS touch display, so we'll see that in action very soon. Supports live streaming, and it has super smooth gyro stabilization. Okay, and for the unboxing review, you can check out our channel as we have a first look unboxing review. Okay, so here's the unit, and yesterday I actually mentioned that it's actually kind of heavy, which is good. It means that it has a really sturdy build. And upon looking further, it actually has a stainless steel body. So that's why it's heavier than the GoPros, which are plastic, or the older SJCAM models. Let me turn this off because we're gonna probably lose some battery. So let me show you the build of the unit first. So one recommendation I have for SJCAM is that they can maybe include a black lens cover for the black models. So that's just a small con on this model. But this is really nice. It fits really smug. It's tight, and so it won't fall off easily. So it's a great way to protect the lens. So speaking of lens, you can see that there. This is also an upgrade from the previous lenses, which were curved. This is a flat lens. Okay, so we can see the matte black finish SJCAM. Here we have an indicator light, LED indicator light, which you can see in a minute. We have a screw mount at the bottom, and at the bottom we also have the battery hatchet. So another suggestion is that they can maybe add an arrow in the direction where you want to basically have the user slide the battery door open. So you're going to see like a groove there. So I'll slide, and then you can see it pops up spring loaded. So this is also an improvement on the previous designs. Nice strong spring there. And here's the battery. So you can see the battery has a nice little tag that you can pull up so that the battery won't get stuck. Nice sticker here for a camera front. I think that they can maybe even improve the design of the battery so that the battery can only be put in one way. It's really just rectangular. So if some of the camera batteries actually have a rounded corners on two of the edges. That's just being nitpicky though. So here we can see the battery, and it's 1300 mAh. So this says it's SJCAM battery, SJ10 battery, so that probably means that this is only compatible with the SJ10. So we put that back in, otherwise we won't be able to power the unit on. So here you can see how the sticker comes in handy. I think we're going to slide back. Okay, here's another place where I wasn't really sure how to open it on the side. This is the the Type C and micro SD card slot. So you basically slide down and the door opens. You can see the ports there. This is also cool. So they have a rubber gasket here just to make sure that it is waterproof. Here I'm guessing it's a mic hole at the bottom, and then on the side here we can see SJ10 Pro. We have the shutter / power button, and then on the side mic / speaker, and then 1.33 inch IPS touchscreen. Okay, so without further ado, let's power this baby on. Okay, so there's a lot of things going on this menu. We have the battery indicator light. See that the audio is on. So let's just go into, let's check out some of the settings here. So this supports up to, let's see, 4K at 30 frames per second. I thought it was 60 frames per second, but we'll check that in a second. So 4K at 30 frames per second looks like the highest resolution on this. So this is native 4K. So let me check the box again. So the box says that it's 4K at 60 frames per second. So maybe the 60 frames per second is interpolated. So we'll have to check, and then we'll put an update in the comments section. Okay, so we have the two different modes here. Photo. Okay, so you can. So let's check out the languages. So English, Chinese. Wow, okay, tons of different language. So this has all the, it looks like it maybe has more languages than the previous models. Romanian. Okay, we'll put a link to this product to the SJ10 in the description, so you can check out the full. So this has dual Wi-Fi band, so good job on that. So we have LCD off time, so it looks like the amount of time before it goes to sleep. So this is nice. You can turn off the indicator light, so you can see here that there's a indicator light. So if you want to be in stealth mode, you can turn that off. Okay, I'm not sure what rotate does. Okay, just rotate the screen. So yeah, I mean, maybe they could maybe add an additional character to rotate screen. Color temperature, that's nice. You can scroll. It's really nice slide. External microphone, so this does support external microphone, which is nice. So that's good for FPV. Gimbal control, wow, okay, so they have, this is compatible with the SJ gimbal, which I don't have a unit of. If I get a unit of the SJCAM gimbal, I can go out and take some footage. Display ISO. Okay, so yeah, the SJCAM. Okay, wow. Okay, so that looks like it changes it to the SJCAM user interface, which is more. It looks like it's more user intuitive. Check out the version. So it looks like the firmware was just now updated in July 28th, so about a couple weeks ago. And today's the 4th, so about a week ago. So again, frequency 5 hertz. So okay, yeah. So this is good. So it has a frequency option. I'm gonna go back into the classic interface, because that's a little bit easier for me to use, as I think that some of the things are just listed out a little bit better, but maybe it'll just take time to learn the other one. Okay, so looks like you can zoom. I don't see the zoom on that. Okay, so I guess the one question I have is about the zoom, but maybe that's only in photo mode. Let me see. So change that to, so here are the different modes that you can shoot at using. So video lapse, slow motion, photo, burst mode. So car mode, that could be dash cam mode, I think would be a better, or just get dash cam, be a better term for that. So definitely an improvement on the user interface, some of the menu titles, but I think that there's still some room to improve. Let's change that to photo. Okay, we can see here it's 12. It supports up to 12 megapixels for images. Here are the other resolutions. Okay, so that just about wraps up this menu review. Let us know what kind of footage you'd like. If you want daylight, slow motion, nighttime, and then we'll try to get some footage using this SJ10 Pro. Alright guys, make sure to like our video, subscribe, and thanks for watching.